Okay, folks, gonna be an interesting day here. So, we're not long home from Pomona, last race of the year, and we've got to get prepared for our new BenPack lift. So that means move a lot of stuff out of the shop today. So probably gonna set a time lapse up. I am very picky about how my shop looks, and right now it's a mess. So let's get started. Work day. All right, folks, something that doesn't happen a lot, if I'm being honest, here at the house, and that is me up bright and early. You can see by the little quick time lapse that I did yesterday that it was a busy day, moving things around. Check this out. This corner is all cleaned out. And we are ready, as y'all may have already figured this out. Today is BenPack 2-post lift installation day. Look at there. Got a forklift over here. Borrowed that from my buddy JC. Millie, are you ready? Huh? Are you ready for the lift? My little girl. So we are coffeeed up, got Baby D moved, got everything that's usually over here. That's all over there. Got all of our, the Harley, the quad, the Cold Hard Art bicycle all over there. And my golf net's no longer there. Planning on putting the lift somewhere in here. Anyway, as soon as the lift installation people show up, we're going to take you along for the ride. And there it is, BenPack lift. Excited today. Had the install guys come, put it in. I'm nervous. Got Baby D up here. First time something's been on it. And I'm excited to have a lift from BenPack. This thing is freaking nice, y'all. It did a great job. She's a big unit. It is 12,000 pounds. Can put the dually up on this thing. I am, I don't know what to think. There's a lift in the shop here. It's going to be really cool. I probably could have used it a little sooner, like when we were putting the transmission in, putting the engine in, all those sort of things. It's pretty crazy. Look how big the arms are on this thing. But I guess it's got to be, like I say, she's a 12,000 pounder. You can see, well, actually, probably in a video I did yesterday, y'all could see when I was cleaning the shop out. It's got a little accessory holder that comes with it. Love the BenPack logos on there. Baby D was pointed this way. I don't know how often I will, which way the vehicles will go. I got to be honest, I think in my mind, the majority of them will back in. That's kind of my thought. That way you just got more room. But I asked that the lift go as far that way and back as we could go, and over that way. That way it takes up, the least amount of room in the shop as we can. We all know that no matter how big a shop you build, it's never big enough. We thought sure when we built this place, it is a 40 by 60. It's a pretty big building, pretty tall building. But now I wish it was bigger. Wish it was bigger, but pretty excited for the lift. Shop is really coming together. We got all the cool products from Binpack as well here. Now I have got to figure out where I'm going to rearrange everything. Got to get the Harley, the quad, the bike, rolling toolboxes, parts washer, toolbox, and of course, practice tree. Got to get the practice tree back set up. The one thing I did lose in all of this was my golf hitting net, but that's okay because that is freaking awesome. I love it. All right. Had the camera off for a little while. Playing a little ball, but I've ran Baby D up and down, I don't know, 3 or 4 times, just kind of learning the lift. Put my Cold Hard Art bicycle kind of back where it was, the Harley kind of back, and Dalton's National Championship winning quad back, Christmas tree back. Everything was shifted over a little bit. Put the Binpack tools, got the stands right there. Put the oil drain there, the transmission jack there. I have had a busy day, but a good day. We got our Binpack lift installed, wired, ready to go. Looks good. I'm excited. It's freaking awesome. Now, it is about time to get back on Baby D. We got a little bit of time home. It's time to make this thing make a little noise. Folks, thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, all those things that I try to say at the end of the videos. I mainly seem to do that when I'm at the shop. I don't seem to do that when we're at the racetrack. I will have a little bit of time for answering questions. Put them in the comments down below. Any kind of questions. As long as they're race car, Baby D, something along those lines. You ask me anything else, I won't know. Don't watch the news. Don't read about the news. I was fixing to say I don't get a newspaper. My entire adult life, I've never had a newspaper delivered to the house. There's nothing in there I need to know about. Everybody, have an awesome, awesome day, evening, whatever time you're watching this. Just know that I do appreciate it. See you guys soon.